YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I want to give you guys a little bit of a part two, a little bit of top of the hour TA. It's been about 4 hours since my last video, so I figure why not hit you guys with another one. I'm trying to do these ever so often, so I'll probably put out like 3-4 videos a day, or maybe I'll do like 3 videos a day in a live stream. Let me know what you guys want. I know that you guys are asking me about a lot of coins in the comment section, and I love that. I do know that we cover a lot of stuff on the live streams. So again, if you guys want a live stream, just let me know. Just be like, Jay, go live. Let me know in the comment section, and I will do a live stream tonight. You might see the coins that you have been looking at. If you wanted to go ask me about them, you can ask me about them tonight. But you gotta let me know in the comment section that you guys want me to make a video tonight, or I'm just not gonna do it. I'm really busy today. So as you guys could see, coin market cap right now, we are sitting at $2.3 trillion. Bitcoin looking a little bit volatile right now. We did talk about the fact that it did try to jump up and break out of that 67K range, right? We thought we could possibly maybe even hit 68. It's looking like Bitcoin is starting to consolidate a little bit. You could see here that we did have this fake out early in the morning, and that is something that we do talk about on the channel, that fake outs usually happen earlier in the week. They usually happen Monday and Tuesday. Real price action usually happens on a Thursday. But guys, actually, I feel really good about this because, again, we broke out of that 64K range. This is the range that I was worried about. I wanted to make sure we broke above that. So we do have some support at 66. I'm not too worried. Again, I'm used to seeing fake outs early in the week. This is something that just kind of I only really notice. Nobody else is going to talk about the rule of Thursdays on YouTube, but I just noticed that markets just tend to move on a Thursday. Test it out, test my theory. We'll see what happens. I don't know. Can we see some price action happen on Thursday? And that could really mean both ways, right? It could mean like a capitulation, or it could mean, again, a price bump. But again, I do think that, judging by this, that the chart is looking great, guys. 66K is right where we want to be. Even if we do pull back a little bit, but hold this support at 66K, we're still rounding out this play. So this is good for Bitcoin, and a lot of people are feeling great about Bitcoin, as you guys could see. 68% of people thinking that Bitcoin is looking super bullish right now, and 32% of people saying, I don't know. And as you guys can see, this guy even 9 hours ago was just talking about how we broke out, and it's retesting its breakout levels. So again, a lot of people very bullish on Bitcoin. What are your price predictions on Bitcoin, guys? Telling you mine. I think I'm feeling good about the market right now. I feel a lot better about it. I feel like we finish forming this wedge, and we're starting to hopefully start rounding out, like I said, creating that cup and handle that we talked about. And let's look on some of these other charts as well. As you guys can see, this chart already looks like we're breaking out of this cup and handle. And one thing about a cup and handle, guys, is it ain't a cup without the handle, right? So you could see that we have this cup forming, and then, the handle would be a small pullback before a run up. So again, this is, in my opinion, still looking like a cup and handle play. Even if it does drop down to 66, it still looks good to me. Again, it's not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy anything. As a matter of fact, let me take time out to say that, guys. None of this stuff in this video is financial advice. Don't buy anything. How about that? Don't buy anything. Now you guys can't say, but you told me to buy it. No, I told you don't buy it. And I told you at the beginning of the video, so don't get mad at me. But again, guys, this is just for entertainment, guys. This is just me speculating on markets. I'm not a professional. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just your homie Crypto J. I've just been doing this for the past 5 years. I've been in the cryptocurrency space for 10, but on YouTube for 5. And I mean, a lot of the people on here know who I am, and how early we've caught a lot of these coins. We catch coins early all the time, boys, all the time. So let's see kind of just how the market is reacting to Bitcoin's volatility. As you can see, just looking at a lot of these coins, some of these coins that I was, again, still paying attention to, like Ethereum. I'm still watching Ethereum. Look at Ethereum, is not looking very good. If Bitcoin does decide it wants to break down a little bit, I'm interested to see what is going to happen with Ethereum. Interesting, right? It was looking like it wanted to pump with Bitcoin. Saw a big price action, so maybe it is just waiting on Bitcoin. Again, I would assume that, but again, with 33% of people only bullish on this and 65% bearish, I think that these guys, again, are looking at these more macro charts, this all-time chart looking like a possible bear flag and a shoulder head shoulder here. it'd be an indicator that we could be headed down to some lower lows with Ethereum. It's really going to depend on the volume, guys, that goes to Ethereum. And that's what I was saying. And that's what I've been saying in all my videos. The fact that, if Bitcoin pumps, there is going to be a meme cycle. A lot of people are going to be looking for that next 10x, 100x, 1000x meme coin. But are they going to be looking on Ethereum, or are they going to be looking at on Solana? We do know that Ethereum has higher gas fees. So maybe maybe the volume is just not there with Ethereum right now, and that's why people are not feeling so good about it, because it's just not performing the way that we're used to seeing Ethereum perform. But again, I don't think that that's too crazy, because look, it performed pretty similar here, right? We created the shoulder, head, shoulder, broke down, create this little trend, and then it kind of did have a little tiny sell off, but it did make a recovery. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that Ethereum is going to see a little bit of sell off even if Bitcoin pumps, or do you think that this is just going to move 1 to 1 and it just so happens to look this way right now? I don't know. Again, always speculative in cryptocurrency. Those gas fees, I do think, do play a key factor on why not as many people are picking up Ethereum as are picking up Solana. Also, why the market feels the way that they do, right? 35% of people bullish on Ethereum, whereas Solana over here, a lot more people feeling good on Solana. 83% of people feeling good on Solana. 17% of people feeling not so good. Again, markets can always go either ways, guys. That's why I always say, you know, be patient. Don't be greedy. Take your time. Do your research. Um, you have time to. There's going to be corrections along the way. Are we going to see a correction? I don't know. Time will tell, right? We've been doing pretty well at creating these higher lows since October 10th. This is October 10th, guys. This is when I was telling you guys that we were at 60K, and I was saying just again on October 10th that I could fully see us sitting at $66,000 Bitcoin today. I was one of the only people on YouTube that was literally calling that price point. I was saying like, hey, the next move is going to be a pretty big move, probably. Good chance. Again, not financial advice because I don't know what I'm talking about, but I've been trading for a while now. So as you guys can see too, I want to check out some of these other coins. Let's check out Dogecoin. We didn't check out Dogecoin in the last video. Dogecoin is coming in at $16 billion, and this, guys, is still the biggest meme coin right now. Doge is still reigning supreme in terms of market cap right now. This thing, it could, I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys think that Dogecoin could hit a new all-time high? We do know that a lot of retail only knows about Dogecoin. It does seem like 80% of people are bullish on Dogecoin, 19% of people thinking it's going down. A lot of people told me that in this bull cycle, they don't think that it's possible for a meme coin to hit 20 billion market cap. I believe that a lot of people are going to be surprised because I watched Shiba Inu go to 40 billion market cap. I covered it at 2,000 wallets back in 2021. And I've seen what these coins are capable of doing. And again, that was way back then. Our market cap was kind of almost similar to like where it is now. Well, the top of our market is similar to where it is now. Again, because Bitcoin just getting so close to a new all-time high. But we see another coin that's going to do these types of gains that could hit this 20,000 market cap or 20 billion market cap? I do think it's possible. I do think it's definitely possible that we could possibly see a meme coin in this top 10 again, other than Dogecoin. As you can see, SHIB has dropped down a little bit. SHIB's still sitting at 10 billion. Maybe SHIB will be that coin, right? I do like SHIB still. I think that, if these dog coins do have some upside to them, I think that SHIB will also have some upside to it. A lot of people are watching SHIB. As you guys could see, 1 million people following SHIB over on Twitter. SHIB has had multiple breakouts in the past. We've covered all these breakouts in the past, even these ones that you can't even see on the screen. That's how early we were on SHIB. But as you can see, it's made a similar pattern multiple times, right? Before it has this big run up, but then it also has these long periods where it just doesn't do much of anything. And we've seen that with SHIB so many times. This thing just looking like a daggone stable coin. It's happened so many times. Look, when it happened here, it happened for so long from 2022 all the way until 2024. This thing was sitting like a stable coin. Same thing right here. We were in June, and then it went all the way June 2021 all the way to October again, right? Uptober, where we're at right now. Same thing right here. We're seeing some of this price action starting to move now in October. So I don't know, maybe we can see a repeat of what happened over here in October happen over here with SHIB, where it can make this big parabolic move with Bitcoin. But again, guys, markets are totally speculative. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go out and buy SHIB. Like I said at the beginning of the video, don't buy anything in this video because I don't want to hear you be complaining and stuff like that. You guys got to go out and do your research. I've made so many videos of how I do my research, but how you do your research is completely up to you. Again, you invest your own money as an adult, so I'm not responsible for you. And you're not going to hold me responsible because I already told you 100 times. So as you guys can see, also, Bitcoin's still coming in at a 56 over here on this fear greed index. I'm watching this fear greed index, guys. This is really the resistance that we're looking at, right? This is the wedge that I talked about. And as you guys can see, we're retesting some of these zones right here. But look, guys, if we can manage to break out of this zone, we're going to be in the green, boys. We're going to be in the green. So I think, again, that we're somewhere like what we're seeing right here, where we're going to see this run up. I think this, once we get to this point right here, this might be what our new all-time high is going to look like before we see our correction. And then I feel like after that we will see like a little period where it may be a couple months that we're down before again starting to pick up in volume. And again, the trend has turned around already, in my opinion. It's not for sure, right? But look, there's a lot of bullish indicators even in our total crypto market cap looking the same as Bitcoin. This cup and handle pattern playing out that I've been talking about for months. Also, this bull flag that has also been breaking up for months. So again, we'll see what's going to happen. We'll see what's going to happen. Bitcoin also creating that same pattern on its all-time chart. So that's definitely something that you want to be paying attention to. The fact that, again, we are seeing a breakout. You know, a lot of people thinking maybe this might be another retest or another reject, but the majority of people, I feel like they know what time it is. A lot of even people that are other YouTubers and stuff like that, I don't know, maybe they're watching people that actually know how to do TA, but they're even saying that they're feeling good about the market, which usually, I mean, when people are greedy, I'm usually fearful. When people are fearful, I'm usually greedy. That's why I was the only one that was saying like the market looks great, and the market was so red, and I'm like, this is awesome, because I was looking at our long-term indicators, right? And that's what I was sharing with you guys. The fact that just a couple weeks ago, I thought that we were in the best time with the best zone of accumulation. Like it was, in my opinion, such a solid zone to be in cryptocurrency accumulating. And of course, I can always be wrong. I don't know anything, but as you guys could see, I want to talk about some of these other coins too, just to see how they're doing over here on CoinMarketCap. And we're going to organize it by chains. Last time we did Solana in the last video. So today we're going to just break down a lot of these Ethereum coins, because again, Ethereum's looking pretty funky, but I want to know kind of what's doing pretty well on Ethereum. So you guys can see these are the top projects that are built on Ethereum, and the biggest coin, well, meme coin right here, you guys could see Pepe coin built on Ethereum coming in at, oh, we're not filtering my market cap. I'm tripping. Okay. Way wrong. Way wrong. Of course not, right? Shiba Inu is bigger than Pepe coin. SHIB's built on Ethereum. A lot of you guys got SHIB watching my channel. You had to buy it off of what's it called, Uniswap, because this coin was not available on any exchanges. We caught this coin before it was listed literally anywhere. I remember Shiba Inu's very first listing. I remember covering it. It was an amazing time in cryptos, boys, wasn't it? Wasn't it an amazing time back in the day when we were the first people on YouTube talking about SHIB? I think it was an amazing time, guys. I had a great time with you guys back then. And you know what, guys? I feel like we're going to have a great time in this meme cycle, too. If you believe that, give me a Make America Great Again in the comment section. I want to talk about some of these other coins, too, though. We were also really early on Pepe coin as well. As you guys can see, it's coming in at a 4 billion market cap. And there's a coin that we've been talking about as well for years, that this is a coin that has been trending, is a coin that has been talked about by a lot of people online. And so it was going to be a coin that was going to be on my watch list. It still is on my watch list. I mean, we talked about that coin that could possibly hit 20 billion. Can Pepe hit 20 billion? I don't know. Anything can happen, right? I haven't actually looked at the holder count on this in a very long time, so I'm actually going to do that just because I haven't done it in a long time. So let's see if I can manage to do that. We'll pull it up on Etherscan right here and check this contract out. Just as easy as this, boys. And you guys should be in the habit of doing this. Again, if you follow my channel, you are in the habit of doing this. I would hope, guys, I would really hope that you're not just coming to my channel to just get shilled coins and stuff like that. I hope that you guys are actually learning how to read these contracts. I hope that you're learning how to read the charts, because that's really what my goal is to teach you so that you can go implement this stuff and go buy your own coins. And you don't have to ask me, hey, Crypto J, what do you think about my coins? I'm gonna be like, hey, what do you think about my video? Go watch it, bro. You know. But anyway, again, how you do your research is up to you. You could see right here, Pepe coin getting pretty close to 300,000 holders. Wow, 292 holders holding Pepe coin. It is steady growing during this Bitcoin consolidation. It actually has been steady growing. As you can see, since the beginning of October, it's been steady growing. So holder count growing. That's what we like to see on a coin like this. You can see there's a lot of transactions, but this is actually not a nutty amount of transactions for the amount of holders. Also, Pepe Coin is listed like everywhere, so I feel confident in this project just because, again, it's listed on a lot of exchanges. But we did talk about just in our last video a coin that was listed on a lot of exchanges that ended up being a scam. So again, that's why I always tell you guys: one, not financial advice; two, do your own research; and three, you need to be tapped in on these spaces and stuff like that and know what's going on with your coin. Because again, that coin that we talked about was listed on a couple different exchanges, MXC and LBank, and those are usually reputable exchanges. So I'm really surprised that that got through their audit. But I don't know. Again, cryptocurrency, highly speculative. Anyway, let's go down this list and look at some of these other coins down here just to see kind of what's working or what's looking pretty decent right now. These are a lot of blue chip coins, as you guys could see, because again, we're over here on market cap right now. Duh. Let me go over to let me go over here. Sorry, I'm in the wrong section, guys. We want to. This is what you guys want to see, guys. You want to see this kind of stuff, right? This mid cap. I call this like a mid cap, I guess, coin. I guess around this, not just under $1 billion. In my opinion, I think that some of these coins can really have some significant upside. Like I said, I do think that there will be a coin that we see hit $20 billion. This bull cycle. That's a meme coin. It could be any coin though. I don't know, or maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Who knows? But as you guys could see, a lot of exciting trades right now. Even Turbo Coin looking pretty exciting right now. Turbo is a coin that I've been watching a lot, and that people have really been following heavy because again, a lot of these top wallets on Turbo Coin or Binance wallets and stuff like that. It's listed on a lot of big exchanges as well. And I've made a couple of videos about Turbo, guys. I made there's another coin that I made videos about before it hit $1 billion. Even though I don't think it still has hit $1 billion. I think it has a good chance of hitting $1 billion. Yeah, so it's still a little bit away from hitting $1 billion. Has created this cup and handle though. We are ripping up to it's at a high right now. So again, we'll see. We'll see what kind of happens with Turbo Coin. As you guys could see in the past 30 days, up 220%. Guys, come on now. Come on. I called this coin. I didn't call it. I made a video on this coin talking about how it was trending, right? Back in when it was around like, I don't know, like 200 million. And now it's at close to $1 billion. So a lot of people have 5x off of Turbo, which is awesome. That was a result of your research, not a result of me telling you what to buy. Because again, I don't tell you what to buy. You do your research. But as you guys can see, a lot of coins pumping. I also want to go check out Dex Tools just to go see what's up on Dex Tools because we got to check Dex Tools, man. Dex Tools is my friend. But Dex Tools, guys, just so you guys know, if you haven't been on this website, not everything that you see on Dex Tools is going to be a legitimate project, guys. That's why I always tell you guys to do your research on all these projects. It's super important that you do that. But we can organize everything by blockchain over here on Dex Tools. We can monitor transactions. And so that's what we're going to do. Today we're talking about Ethereum coins mostly. So we'll start off doing Ethereum just to see how some of these coins are performing. Now, we did kind of talk about some of these coins in the last video that I made earlier. It does seem like the top 10 coins have moved around just a little bit, but it seems like generally most of the stuff on the Ethereum blockchain is still down, still bleeding. Mog coin is one coin that also has been catching my attention. Again, this coin is trending week in and week out. I constantly see Mog trending. It's always trending. But right now, Mog really needs to start picking up some volume. Again, it's not looking too bad, but at the same time, we want to make sure that we break up out of this cup and handle pattern. It is creating some higher lows, though. Ever since September, this thing has been creating higher lows. So it's actually been performing pretty well since September. So we'll see how Mog kind of does. A 3-day chart looking pretty decent. Let's look at some of these more smaller charts. Ooh, 1-day chart not looking as good, right? This looks like it could have been possible rising wedge that's starting to break down. Let's see some of these other charts too. And again, guys, I'm not trying to FUD up your coin. All right. I'm not trying to FUD up your coin. I'm not trying to do nothing. Right. I'm just kind of giving you my point of view, guys. This is what you guys like. You guys like to hear me talk about cryptocurrency and stuff like that. I don't know why, because again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some guy with a computer. But as you guys can see, MOG is looking like it is seeing a little bit of sell off right now. It is touching a couple zones of resistance, right? It's just touching this, or support, right? Touching this little support right here. And that's pretty much the only support that it's holding. So it doesn't have a lot of support. Again, the coin is very volatile. Of course, all these coins that are under $1 billion are very volatile. But this thing is looking like it wants to see some sell off right now. Maybe it's because of Ethereum, right? Maybe people are just not trading into Ethereum right now. I don't know. What do you guys think? Why do you guys think that these Ethereum coins are down? And why do you guys think that people are so bearish on Ethereum? I want to know. Is it the gas fees? Because honestly, guys, when I first got into cryptocurrency, I was used to paying like how much was I paying? We was paying like a normal like $30 or something like that. But then when all retail starts getting in and there's so many transactions going on the blockchain, the transactions were ridiculous, dude. This was before V2 and all that stuff. So I've paid like $500, $600 just to get into a trade where I could lose my money in a crap coin. So, just so you know, for you guys that are complaining about gas fees, just what the gas fees used to be. But I used to I kind of used to like it in a weird way, right? Why would you like a high gas fee? Because it just kind of discouraged people from selling. I would feel like the Binance coins, because they had such a low transaction fee, they would just kind of be super volatile. They wouldn't do as well. People would be like swing trading in and out of those like crazy. And they were just super volatile. So when I first got started, I was not trading so much into BNB. I looked a little bit into BNB. Again, guys, I remember when BNB first launched, right? When they first launched the Binance Smart Chain and all that stuff. And I remember there was so much speculation, right? Binance coin went up significantly. That thing shot up from like $2 all the way up to like $500. And a lot of those coins went on to not really do much, to be honest with you guys. I think the biggest coin that was built on the Binance Smart Chain was SafeMoon, which turned out to be a scam. And I feel like that really kind of put a bad taste in people's mouth about the Binance Smart Chain. And I feel like the majority of coins on the Binance Smart Chain honestly are scams, and that's why I don't even click on the Binance Smart Chain anymore. And when I first got started too, guys, Dex Tools did not have access to go look at Binance coins. You couldn't look at all these different blockchains and stuff. It was just Ethereum. I had to use a whole nother website. It was called Poo Tracker or PooCoin Tracker or something like that. And that's how you had to look up the Binance Smart Chain coins. That was the only way. And actually, a lot of people were asking me even back then, Jay, how come you don't start a cryptocurrency? Guys, I will never start a cryptocurrency. Just so you know that, I will never start a cryptocurrency. I will also never message you on WhatsApp to ask you for money. I'm not going to do nothing sketchy like that. So, and the reason for that, guys, is just because I want to see you guys succeed. And I know that in cryptocurrency, 99% of the things that happen in the space are not going to succeed. So my plan was initially when I got into the space, I wanted to really honestly build something like Dex Tools. I wanted to build something like what Dex Tools had, because I thought in the times of the gold rush, who really makes the most money, boys? The guy who's selling the shovels, not the guy who's going out there breaking his neck, trying to step over the other guy's neck to get the gold. You know, it's the guy selling the shovels, because people need them shovels. So again, Dex Tools really just took everything and ran ever since then, as you guys could see, adding all these blockchains, so many different blockchains now you could trade on Dex Tools with. The space has just grown so much. Like, I'm proud of Dex Tools, man. Again, not everything on Dex Tools is a great project. A lot of things on here are a scam. There's like thousands of coins on here that are being launched all the time, like every single day, like probably hundreds of thousands. I don't even know how many coins get launched, guys. So that's why I always say, like, always do your research. Also, these Dex Tools audits are automated as well. But you could see how Dex Tools really like grew, right? They have like their online academy here right now. And this is what I wanted to do, right? I wanted to have something like that showed all the charts, but then also had my videos at the top where people can like kind of like be hands-on and kind of learn how to do the ins and outs of how to read charts and stuff like that. Again, not to give financial advice on the platform, but just to teach people how to read charts and stuff like that. Because if you could read these charts, then you could read any chart. You could read any chart. And so that's huge. So again, that was kind of my thought process. And a lot of people, again, asking me why I haven't created a coin, or am I going to create a coin? Guys, I'm not going to create a coin. And if you guys see a Crypto J coin this season, it's not me doing it. So don't get involved in it because it's going to be a scam. Anybody that's going to put my name on something and launch a coin after me, they're probably going to be scamming you. So just understand that. Also, guys, there's a fake WhatsApp or a fake Instagram about me still. My Instagram is the one that is attached to my account. If you guys see that other fake Instagram, feel free to report it, guys. I don't want you guys losing money, and I hear it every single bull season. Crypto J, you told me to message you on WhatsApp. No, I didn't tell you to message me on WhatsApp. I told you specifically in so many videos that I do not have a WhatsApp. So I don't want to hear those things, guys. Please, just understand that I'm probably not gonna reach out and talk to you unless you're in my Telegram. You guys can join my Telegram, by the way. It's a free resource. Built that for you too. It's not a place for financial advice, but it is a place where we talk about crypto in there. So again, everything that you hear in there, if you hear anything that sounds like financial advice, one, it's not, and two, you need to do your research on it. So there you go. And let's look at this Tron chain. Kind of got off on a tangent there, but let's look at Tron chain before I cut out this video. I just want to see if anything's pumping over here. Pretty much no. Pretty much no. Let's look at Sundog just because this coin was at one point like one of the biggest coins. It might still be the biggest coin. Not doing well. This is what I'm saying. Like, this is not good for Tron chain. That the biggest projects are looking like this, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder. Right now, this is not how you want your coin to really be looking. Especially after Bitcoin has just been seeing as much price action as it has. This thing should look a lot more bullish in my opinion. And Bitcoin even sneezes, that thing looks like it wants to create another shoulder on that shoulder, head, shoulder. So we'll see what happens with that coin. Again, guys, everything that you saw in this video is not financial advice. And if you do want to come trade with your boy Crypto J, I'm actually going to just leave the Telegram in the comment section below, guys. The first time I'm doing that, I'm going to cap this Telegram, though, at 5,000 members, just so you guys know that. Telegram's sitting pretty close to 2,000 members right now, so reserve your spot if you do want to come trade with your boy Crypto J. But if you do, also understand just that that's not financial advice that goes down in there. We just talk about cryptocurrency, and that as a responsible investor, you're supposed to go do your own research because nobody in that group is a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor, and we're all adults. We're just talking about cryptocurrency in there. But again, guys, not a place to show your coin. Also, not a place to come in there and launch a coin and then come talk about it. And a lot of people do that, man. A lot of people, they'll launch a coin and then they'll come into my Telegram and try to promote it. You will get banned from my Telegram for doing that. It's not a place to promote. It's not a place to self-promote. It's not a place for other YouTubers to come in there and talk about their YouTube channel. I don't mind if you go share other YouTube videos in there, but you know, if I see that, if I go look at the contract and I see that you just shared some idiots video, which 99% of these guys on YouTube are idiots. If you guys don't know that, they're idiots. They don't know how to do anything on cryptocurrency. I'm going to ban you because you're not like, you're not checking the contract, guys. It's so important that you check these contracts. I tell you all the time, all the time, all the time. It'll always be my thing. I've been saying it for like 5 years, the importance of checking contracts and audits, guys. I don't want you to get scammed. If you guys appreciate this video, if you like the content that I've been making, guys, if you like the long-term content, again, let me know in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.